Makirima arigitani matinda mururungano muciini munene wa Nairobi gutetia thirikari ni undu wa gwikira matumbamba na kwaga kuigua mateta mao, undu uria uthingithitie uheani wa motungata mathibitari-ini kuma mweri wambiriria thiku 27 hituku. Arigitani maugite matiragũagũa nginya mabataro mao mahingio ni thirikari, hamwe namo kuhe arigitani insurance ya ugima wa mwiri, kuriha arutwo arigitani uria kwagiriire, hamwe na mateta mangi.
Was signed in 2017, to which has paid doctor interns for the last 7 years must be protected. The basic salary arrears that are owed to all the doctors across the country must be paid.
We as doctors, we come from communities. We are your sons, we are your daughters, you are our parents, our siblings, and when you suffer, we suffer.
Mururungano uyu wambiriirie thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta, arigitani magithiuruka barabara-ini itiganite nginya cikaro nene cia ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, kuria ikundi cia nyanake igeririe guthararia mururungano uyu indi ciahitanwo nao ni maabitha a borithi.
You have your skills and you must protect it. You can only go with these skills to the grave. And so we are saying that we are going to protect the profession with death, blood and tears.
Arigitani merekeire nginya bunge-ini kuria mahingire barabara nginya riria gikundi kia ambunge gikinyirie kunyitanira nao kiamukira mateta mao na kwiranira gutuika mugambo wa arigitani bururi-ini.
I know we have budgeted quite a lot of money on affordable housing. I have said it in the past and I will repeat. Affordable housing is not our priority. Our priority is medical concerns and medical needs.
A sick man cannot go to work. A sick nation cannot go to work. And therefore, do not demand for a meeting with anybody except the president.
Hindi oyo thibitari imwe ni ciambiririe kwandika arigitani. Thibitari munene wa University wa Kenyatta ukiandika arigitani 5 kuma mabũrũri ma Ethiopia, Tanzania na Malawi gutangikira arwaru a murimu wa cancer.
Ira turekire kimo akuhi 40 no muthi no tuthi na mbere andu aria othe mabiyo na kimo nirarikire ara ero ni turathondeka kuma umuthi na rucio.
Ndirari na hinya ucio wa kuga ati ni nguthie thibitari cia private na ndirigure ndacokwo ni thayo na riu ni ndiraigua ndi na hinya toni ndawa ndirekirwo na ni njui ni nguhona.
Nake minister wa ugiteri Professor Kithure Kindiki oigite aria maranyita itemi mugomo-ini uyu uri utetikiritio mathiete na mbere kuruta mikana ya guthararia motungata mathibitari-ini na kuharagania mihango ya o muthenya arigitani aria matagomete hamwe na guthoga thayo wa muingi. Oigite micemanio, mirurungano na njira ingi cia kwanirithia mateta ma arigitani nja ya watho na kwaga gutia watho wa igoti ni kuhuthia gatiba na uwo mirurungano eyo ndetikiritio. Riri mugomo wa arigitani uigirite thiku yake ya 27 arigitani mathingiririe matiricoka wira nginya riria thirikari irihingia mabataro mao. Arwaru na ukundu gutiganite bururi-ini mathiete na mbere na gutangika ni undu wa wagi wa motungata ma urigitani. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.